Hello, good morning, dear students. So, in this class, we are going to have a discussion on the problems which are relating to the time series, that is, method of least square. Let us we can able to see this question here. That is given below or the production that is in the form of tons of a sugar company. Here they have mentioned that is from 2009 to 2015. So the production is given in the form of thousands units. For 2009, it is 154,000 units. 2010 is 176,000. 11 is 188,000. 12 is 170,000. And 13, the production units is 182,000. 14, 196,000. And 15 is 180,000. All they have given in the form of thousands. And what are the questions that they have asked me? Estimate the production for the year 2015. And the second question here, we should fit a straight line trend by the method of least square. And the third question, we have to show the actual and trend line on a graphic. So we know that how to compute the trend values. The formula that is trend value is nothing but yc equals a plus bx. So whatever the values are given, that is year, that has to be mentioned as x variable, and the production values given has to be mentioned as the y variable values. So let us will write down the years, that is from 2009 to 15. So 2009, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here there are how many numbers of years? There are 7 years values are given here from 7 to 9 to 15. So while doing the deviations, we can able to take the central value, that is 2012 as 0. So upward and all, we should mark it as -1, -2, -3 as the running number. Downwards and all, +1, +2 and +3. Similarly, production has to be considered as y variable. They have given whatever the question in the question they are given, right as it is. 154, 176, 188. For 2012 is 170, 13 is 182, for 2014 is 196, and then for the 15, 180. Total the value sigma y, that is 1246. Next, we have to do the square the values of x, deviation x, that is 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1, 0, 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. Total the value of x square will get sigma x square is 28. Now we have to multiply this x and y values, deviation x with the actual values of y. 154 into minus 3, plus into minus is minus, 154 into 3 is 462, 176 into minus 2 is minus 352, 188 into minus 1 is minus 188, then 0 into 170 is 0, 182 into 1, 182, 196 into 2 is 392, 180 into 3 is 540. Total value of all sigma xy is 110. The last column no need to calculate. Still after calculating the values, these are the trend values. After calculation, we will go for marking all the values in the table. So let us will calculate what is the value of A and B. Here the trend values we require. Yc equals A plus Bx. What is the value of A and what is the value of B? We know the formula for the calculation of A, it is nothing but sigma y by n. For B, it is sigma xy by sigma x square. So sigma y total value calculated in the table, that is 1246 divided by number of items are 7. The value of A we are getting 178. Similarly, we need to calculate the value of B, that is sigma xy is 112 divided by x square value is 28. Therefore, the value of B is 4. Now, let us will go for calculating the trend values for the given number of years and also estimated figure for the year 2016. So let us will calculate one by one. For the year 2019, YC equals, this is the equation that we'll have to calculate for all the years, trend values. Trend value equals A plus BX. So for the 2018, A means 178, B value already we calculated here by using the formula 178 and 4 into. So into means the x value, the deviation x value, the first number is 3, that is minus 3. When x equals minus 3, what is the trend value? 178 plus into minus is minus 4 3 are 12. 178 minus 12, the value is 166. Let us will go for the second year, that is 2010. So in 2010, the deviation value is minus 2. So trend value equals A plus Bx. A means 178 plus 4 into minus 2. 178 plus into minus is minus 8. The value becomes 170. Next for 2011, trend value equals A plus Bx. 178 plus 4 into minus 1. 178, this minus 4, we are getting the answer. That is plus into minus is minus 178 minus 4 is 174. For the year 2012, trend value equals a plus bx, 178 plus 4 into 0. So the value will be 178. Then for 13, y see that is trend value equals a plus bx, 178 plus 4 into x value is 1 now. After 0, you can able to see here the 1, 2, 3 are the next coming trend values, the deviation values. So 178 plus 4 is nothing but 182. For 2014, yc equals a plus bs, that is the trend value. We need to calculate for the year 14. 178 plus 4 into 2 is 8. So 178 plus 8 is 186. Then for the year 15, yc equals a plus bx, 178 plus 4 into 3. 178 plus 4 into 3 is 12, 180, 190. Next, what will be the deviation for the next year? Means it is nothing but after 3, the next number will be the 4. So we are considering that x will be 4 for the calculation of 2016. So trend value equals a plus bx, 178 plus 4 into after 3 for the 16, the deviation x value in the downward it will be 4. So 178 plus 4 into 4 is 16, 194. So therefore the production for the figure for the year that is 2019 is 194 is nothing but 194,000. So it is 1,94,000. Now the same value has to be marked in the graph. So all the x-axis we are showing what the number of years. So from the starting itself, that is 2009, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then we'll have to mark for the next year. It is we have started from 150, 60, 170, 180, 190, and 200. So first this zigzag line is showing the actual line and the straight line is showing the trend line. So for the 2009, what is the actual value of y is nothing but 154. For 10 it is 176. So 154 means 9, 2014 is 154 means after 150 we should mark it for here it is for the 4 154 and the next is 176. For 10 it is 176. After 60 we should mark for one for the sixth small box, that is 176. For the 2011 the actual value is given in the question. 11 it is 188. 188, 2011 is 188. After 188 small box, 12 will be 170. So 2012 it is 170. Then for 2013 we should see what is the actual value for 2013. It is 182. After 180 we should go for plus 2 small boxes. Then 2013 will be 182. Then 2014 will be 190, 196. The last will be 180. 2014 will be 196, 2015 will be 170. So the zigzag line where we are going to show, that will be the actual lines. Now we'll have to mark it for the trend lines. Now we should see what are the values we calculated. For 2009, the value will be 166. So 2009, you have a small dot, 166. After 160, the sixth box is going to be have one small dot. Then 2010, the next figure will be 2010, it is 170. So 2010, you have marked here one small dot, that is 170. Corresponding to this 2010, adjacent to this 170, it is 170. So one more small dot will have to mark. For 2011, the value is 174. Then here 2011. So again after 174th box, you have to have one small dot. And 2012, the value what we calculated, it is 178. 2012. This 2012 corresponding to that, after 170, the eighth box small dot will have to measure. Then 2013, it is 182. 13 after uh, 182 we'll have to mark. This is 170. Then we'll have to go for 182. One more small dot. Then after calculating all the values here up to 190, that is 2015 will be 190. You have to put a dash line, exact straight line you people are going to get. That is called as the trend line. So this is how we'll have to mark both trend lines and actual lines on the time. So with this, I'm going to end the session.